How to choose a research topic. Step-by-step guide for beginners to conduct research. Steps in developing a research topic. Your major field is, let's say, finance comes in step 1, then in step 2 you have studied major subjects in finance such as business finance, managerial finance, corporate finance, behavioral finance, international finance, financial statement analysis, stock market efficiency, and financial markets and institutions. In step 3, you can mention your high marks subjects such as corporate finance or international finance. In step 4, you can easily decide what's your favorite subject. So in step 4 you will select corporate finance based on your favorite subject in which you have high marks and also expertise in it. In step 5, you can specify your favorite chapter or area, which is dividend policy. In step 6, you can find research topic, research title easily, which is Determinants of Dividend Policy, a panel data analysis for PSX 100 index companies. Or, the impact of dividend policy on firms' performance, evidence from banking sector of Pakistan. After approval of topic, you will make summary or proposal for checking from your supervisor. It is important to note that if data and literature on selected topic is available, then continue, otherwise change the topic prior to summary or proposal submission to your selected supervisor who have expertise in your research area and research topic. Some tips and tricks of developing research topic. Here you see some tips and tricks for research topics or research titles are given with black space where you can fit your selected variables. How you will add your variables. Basically, your favorite chapter or areas becomes your variables. It's up to you. You will make it independent variable or dependent variable. In example 1, see how you can fit words in blank spaces, such as dividend policy and banking words to complete research title. In example 2, see how you can fit words in blank spaces, such as dividend policy and PSX 100 index words to complete research title. In example there, see how you can fit words in blank spaces, such as dividend policy, firm's performance and financial sector words to complete research title. Here dividend policy is independent variable while firm's performance is dependent variable. In example 4, see how you can fit words in blank spaces, such as firm's performance, dividend policy and financial sector words to complete research title. Here firm's performance is independent variable while dividend policy is dependent variable. So, in this way, you can add other variables like liquidity, leverage, corporate governance, corporate social responsibility, macroeconomic variables, stock returns, stock prices, etc. And also change sector from banking sector of Pakistan to whole financial sector of Pakistan, or non-financial sector of Pakistan, or oil and gas sector or cement sector, textile sector, etc. Or change country from Pakistan to Asian countries, Gulf countries, European countries, etc. So, in this way you can develop your new research topic. Selecting variables for your research topic. After selecting research topic, which is determinants of dividend policy, evidence from banking sector of Pakistan, you can find definition of variables by specifying dependent variable, independent variables, control variables and dummy variables. Here is the list. The first variable is dividend payout ratio, which is dependent variable, while current ratios, debt to total assets, asset growth rate, price to earning ratio are independent variables. Control variables are bank size, which is natural log of total assets, earnings per share, price to book ratio, and dummy variables are industry, ownership mean owned by family control, maturity which is age of the firm, and floating rate which is taken as proxy for outsider ownership influence. The variables short names and hypothesis sign are also mentioned by reviewing literature thoroughly. So in this you can find variables for your study after developing a research topic. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.